All right, everybody. Today we're in the Oakdale Cemetery in Spartanburg, South Carolina. And we're going to talk about some old graves, some symbology, and things of that nature, things that people put on their headstones, and I guess the reasons behind it, the meanings, whatnot. This first tombstone I have picked out for us to look at is Reverend C.S. Walker from Charleston, South Carolina, born January 22nd, 1815. He died in 1830. No, excuse me. He died in January the 18th of 1857. So this is his headstone. It's like a vase on top of it with a rag over the top of that. Probably some kind of religious meaning behind this, like I can't think of the words. Some kind of head adornment, I would assume. I also have his daughter buried here, April 10th, 1851 to February 9th, 1882. Can't really read what is written on the back. But there's a real nice long epitaph there. And on this side would be John Easterling, the son, born October 13th, 1842. He fell at Petersburg, Virginia on July the 2nd, 1864. So he's a veteran, Civil War veteran, not marked. I think we should do something about that. What do you think? Should we put a flag signifying that we have one of the last great American heroes in our midst? As I look over this cemetery, I see one flag, tattered and torn. And this is supposed to be about symbology. And it's not. I don't think this is the appropriate place for that. In all honesty, these markers are pretty old and pretty basic. I mean, there's some woodmen of the world headstones, but let's see who we have here. We have Boyce Gowan. He died in 1916 at the age of 23. So he was a private first class. 26th Infantry, division. So he would have been a Civil War veteran as well. I think we will definitely replace his flag. Get that kind of straightened up. We may get in the truck. It's a very large cemetery. And kind of ride through and put some flags on some graves. Right now I'm going to make my way back to my truck, get set up, and I'll bring you back and we will do some flags. So, be right back with you. This is our first veteran's grave. What we're going to do is here on the right side, which would be their left side, right in the corner. This is Schedule 40 PVC that I cut into small pieces. We take our flag, and a zip tie. We put our zip tie on. Like so. And we set our flag just like that. If you're not exactly pleased, you can adjust your zip tie, and all that does is it holds your flag off the ground. So there is our first one done. Okay, we're back at Boyce Gowan's grave, and as you could tell, his flag is not in good shape. So we are going to set a new one. Do a little clean up here. I have a pre-cut zip tie placed on there. Set our flag. There we go. Just like that. We will properly dispose of the old flag. So just in case you were unaware of how to appropriately put flags on veterans' graves, it goes, if you're facing the headstone from the foot, it goes on the right-hand side. It would be the left side of your veteran, closest to your heart. We take a piece of Schedule 40 PVC pipe. I like to cut mine in 6-inch increments. Taper it, drive it in, not all the way. Leave it about an inch above the ground. I put a zip tie so I can adjust the height of my flag to keep it off the ground. And I place that flag. I have come across graveyards and cemeteries, both, recently, that had a multitude of veterans with no flag. That is unacceptable. Their graves were not very taken care of, also unacceptable. And along with the graveyard history and other things that I do, I will be fixing those veteran graves. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you come along with me for that journey, because it's pretty rewarding. So I thank you for your time. If you think this is something that you would enjoy, consider subscribing. Maybe give us a thumbs up. Kind of drives the channel, gets it out there to more people. You know what it does. The comments are always welcome. If you think I'm doing something wrong, let me know about it. If I say something incorrect, let me know. I'm always open to any kind of criticism you may have. So with that, I'm going to bid you a good day.